and this is about 1 inch here. Let me measure it to make sure. That is about 2 inches. Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today it's time for a trim. So you know, like how usually I would be nervous or like apprehensive to trim my hair? For some reason today, I'm looking forward to it. I guess it's because I have felt the consequences of not trimming my hair that now I'm like, all right, for the greater good, let's get it done. So it has been 4 months since my last trim, and I mean, not looking too bad, not looking too bad. So in my attempt to achieve a decent trim, I am going to be trying the rubber band method. So my hair right now is blow dried, and I did film that using this wireless hair straightening brush, and my ends are filled with single strand knots. Why is it that now that I'm looking for them, I can't find them to show now? It's really hard to show you guys the single strand knots, but they're there. Okay? Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is to split my hair in half. Alright, so with 1/2 of my hair, I'm going to split it up in 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. 4 smaller sections. So for today's trim, we're aiming for 1 inch of hair. Okay, I think that will be enough. And by smoothing my hair down, I really can feel where the ends of my hair start acting up. So like right here, yeah. We're gonna let that go. So I'm just gonna add the rubber band right at that point. So instead of cutting my hair right away, I'm gonna put the rubber bands all in my head first, and then I cut. That way I can adjust the rubber bands and see exactly where I want to cut before I cut. Because the rubber bands can be adjusted, but once I cut, it's cut. I'm trying to hold my hair back and not forward. Okay? So hold my hair back. Make sure it's smooth. If I hold the hair forward, you can see that like the hair right here bundles up. So that means the front of my hair is going to be like longer. Let's start that over. You see how the front of my hair bundles up after I pull the hair forward? That is hair I would have cut if I didn't pull the hair back. So then the front of my hair would be shorter. That's why I'm trying to pull the hair as far back as possible before adding the elastic, to preserve the length at the front of my hair. So the back of my hair, this is the back. It's a little longer than the second section. So it's gonna be like, you know, go up. Hey, I'm not a professional trying to explain professional things. Use this video for entertainment purposes only. Alright, so with this section closer to the front of my head, I want to make a section separately for the crown. So I'm going to treat it a little differently. Alright? Look. Alright, so you see, this is the crown of my head. That's right at the, you know, the center. Right. I'm going to just cut this in like 1/3. See? Alright, so that's like, Alright, so I cut this in 1/3. So I have this crown section, and I'm gonna save that for later.
And I'm basically going to combine it with the other 1/3 from the next side.
Then I'm gonna smooth this out and add my rubber band. The same, but not towards the front of my hair. That's to remember. Going back. Going back. Alright, so pull it back.
So I feel like instead of pulling the elastic down for this 3rd section to meet with the other 2 sections, I should have just moved the previous elastics up further and cut my hair shorter.
It just gets a little shorter as it goes up. Okay. And now the front section. Right. And I can see that I'm going to need to do a little trimming at the front because there are pieces that are shorter, closer to the front of my face that don't catch in these long sections, but that's fine. That's fine. And now for the next side of my head. That works. So I'm going to combine the right side and the left side and add my elastic band. Most of the front sections have fallen out of the elastic band, so let's redo this. So I'm just gonna comb this forward, bring my head straight, and this front section is from the left side and the right side. I'm just gonna add the rubber band. Okay, the rubber bands are all strategically placed in my hair, and now I'm ready to cut. So these are brand new hair scissors that I bought at the beauty supply store, right at the elastic. I mean, if you want to cut above the elastic, that's your business, but I'm cutting right below the elastic. Eek. And I mean, because I saw how all the elastics look in the beginning, I'm pretty confident about the cut. So okay, I think that's everything. Let's take down the elastics now and see the massacre we've done. Alright, so we did the first cut in smaller sections. Now let's see how the hair looks in bigger sections, because it does sometimes tell a different story. So you see? So I'm using like the small section at the back combined with the next section. So basically I'm combining the sections now. And see? This is not taking off anything much, it's just evening out the hair. See? Alright. See how that looks.
We're making progress, we're making progress. So in the next 4 months, I'll be ready again for my next trim.
Not bad at all. Not bad at all. But I'm gonna just trim off like the little stray hairs. So you see how detached the top section is from the bottom section? I'm just going to smooth that out. That's all. I'm just going to smooth that out. Hey, see that? It's like curved now. Okay. Yay! And continue. I think I cut too much for that one. Uh-oh. See all the hair I cut? There's hair everywhere. So now I'm just going to moisturize my brand new ends. And that's it. I'm done. And my hair feels so much better. Oh my lordy, yes. And now I'm going to put my hair up in a protective style to protect my brand new ends. Anyway, beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up and share it if you think anybody you know might actually enjoy this video. If you're new to my channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, that's okay. I'll just leave some more of my videos up in the iCard so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then after watching like, I don't know, maybe like 1 or 2 more of my videos, you should realize that you actually enjoy my content here and it just makes sense to subscribe. Okay, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later.